action awaits with the Thailand GP's first race. Wanna know what happened in the Grand Prix so far? Let's start with qualifying sessions. Marquez achieved the first pole of the season with Ducati. The kid is back and he's not alone. That's where I belong, all aboard the Marquez train. Woohoo! Yeah, and if you want, you can also join my Alex Neta. Woohoo! Yay! Now that we know who made the pole, it's about time to talk about the sprint race. Let's start with the replay of the start of the sprint race. Yeah, first day of school and I want to win from the beginning. And like every brother in the school, I will copy whatever my brother does. During the race, Marquez brothers were on top, but we had Miller crashing and Di Antonio having problems, and we know exactly what happened to him. God Miller is ready to show his power in his new bike. Alright, course the Italian rider on the Patricia bike. Wrong rider, Jack. That's not and victory for Marquez at the sprint race. Let's see the replay of the finish line with our minis. My moment has arrived. Back to races. Woo! And this year you can follow the supermarket route. Woo! What a boot! And that's all for today. Let's find out the weather for this Grand Prix with Termini.
Hot temperatures with no rain expected.
And what are your predictions for this race?
Something similar to what we've seen today. Victory for both Marquez and Pecco third.
Thank you, Termini. Follow our social networks for more MiniBikers. Goodbye and be really good. And this video wouldn't be possible without the support